Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I will tell you about the headphone jack problem in your device POCO C40. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the headphone jack, or you can say the earphone jack of the device, you can fix it by the methods I will show you. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now just follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the headphone jack issue in your device. Let's watch it.